Is which of the following is not a component of the global engagement scheme? Option A telling that grant in aid support for Indo-foreign culture society. This is incorrect. Hey, this is correct, but he asking not correct, so this is not the correct option. Organizational of virtual culture program with the foreign artists. This is correct feature and correct component of the global engagement scheme. But he asking the not correct, so that is a correct answer is not here. The next article is promotion of the classical and contemporary Indian arts through the global festival. This is also not correct. Here the international collaboration for academic research in Indian heritage. This is a incorrect, so that is the reason this is a correct option, because here incorrect asking. These all are the correct component. Promotion of classical and contemporary Indian arts through the global festival. These all are the three is a correct, but here D is not incorrect, so D become the incorrect answer. Next question, question number second asking that consider the following report published by the National Statistics Office. Index of industrial production S, this is published by the National Statistics Office. Second telling that annual survey of industry, yes, it is also published by the National Statistics Office. C telling third telling the periodical labor force survey, yes, this is also published by the National Statistics Office. And D telling consumer confidence survey, this is not, this is incorrect. And he asking that which of the above are published by NSA. So he asking the incorrect one, so he asking the correct, so correct one and published by the, so here 1 2 3 means B become the correct answer. Next question, question number third asking that which of the following is a major environmental challenge affecting the North Sea? Option A telling the rising salinity level due to the reduced fresh water inflow. B telling increasing frequency of the dead zone due to excessive nutrition runoff. SV, this is correct. This is affecting factor. So B become the correct answer. Till I will like to see the formation of the underwater volcano due to tectonic activity. Yes, this is not incorrect. Expansion of mangrove forest along the coastline, that is also not correct. Next question, question number 4 asking that consider the following statement regarding the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute and its function. First, telling that CIPRI is an intergovernmental organization of the United Nations that track global arms and transfer and military expenditure. This is not intergovernmental organization, so first is incorrect. Second, then is CIPRI published the trend in the international arms transfer report, which provide an analysis of the major arms exporter and importer. This is a correct one. And third, telling that CIPRI research focus solely on the arms trade and does not include nuclear disarmament or geopolitical conflict. This is also incorrect, because solely make this is a statement incorrect. Here asking correct one, so only one means A become the correct answer. Next question, question number 5 asking that which of the following is the most significant advantage of gene editing in the bananas over the traditional gene editing modification? Option A telling gene editing bananas have been widely accepted and approval for the human consumption globally. This is incorrect. Second, telling that gene editing is the faster but more unpredictable compared to the traditional GMS method. This is also incorrect. The C telling that gene editing crops require continuous application of the chemical regulator to maintain their trait. This is also incorrect. And the D telling that gene editing does not introduce foreign DNA, whereas GMO technique do. So this D become the correct answer. Next question, question number 6 asking that can which of the following statement best explain why INS Imphal is considered a significant advancement in India's naval capability? He is telling that it is the first Indian warship to be powered entirely by the nuclear propulsion. This is incorrect. Second, telling that it is India's first warship to be capable of deploying supersonic cruise missile. Is very correct. C telling it has been designed with the stealth feature to reduce radar cross section. This is incorrect. And D telling that it is India's first aircraft carrier capable of operating 5th generation fighter jet. This is incorrect. So only B become the correct answer. Next question, question number 7 asking and consider the following statement regarding the soil fertility mapping. A telling that it involves the use of the geospatial technique, remote sensing and AI based model of the soil analysis. Very correct. Second, telling that the mapping process focus primarily on the physical soil property rather than the nutrition composition. This is incorrect. right, primary on the physical soil, this primary make this statement incorrect. And thirdly, it help in the implementation of precision of agriculture. That's very correct statement. They asking how many of the above statement are correct, and the only 1 2 means 1 and 3 become the correct answer, so B become the correct answer. Next question number 8 asking then consider following application of gene editing technique. A telling that developing genetically engineered mosquito to prevent the spread of the malaria. It's correct. Creating synthetic human embryo for organ transplantation. This is incorrect. C telling that enhancing crop resistance to pest and environmental stress. This is also correct. So here the which of the above are correctly feasible using gene editing technique. So 1 and 3 is correct. So C become the correct answer. Which of the following is a major objective of the household consumption expenditure survey? The option A telling that to estimate inflation trend by analyzing change in the household spending pattern. This is a correct. And to forecast GDP growth based on the consumer sentiments analysis, this is incorrect. To track foreign direct investment in consumer goods and its impact on household consumption, this is correct. This is incorrect. And to evaluating banking penetration in the rural area through the household and financial expenditure, this is also incorrect. So I think the A become the correct answer. Next question number 10 asking that last but not the least, North Sea is bordered by which of the following water body? Norwegian Sea yes, English Channel yes, Baltic Sea yes, Bay of Biscay no. This is incorrect. So 1 2 3 means A become the correct.